In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a credit card refund in QuickBooks Online. When you use a credit card to pay a vendor and then get money back, maybe for a return or an overcharge, you want that refund to show correctly in your books. Entering it the right way keeps your expense totals accurate and makes your credit card balance match your statement. Let's walk through the process step by step inside QuickBooks Online. First, from your main dashboard, look for the button labeled Plus New. This is where you create almost every type of transaction in QuickBooks, so you'll use it a lot. Go ahead and click Plus New to open the list of available forms. Next, under the Vendors section of that menu, select Credit Card Credit. This specific form is designed for situations where a purchase made on a credit card is being reversed or refunded. Choosing this option tells QuickBooks that money is effectively coming back onto that credit card account. Now you'll see the credit card credit form. At the top, choose the payee. Open the payee dropdown and select the vendor who issued the refund. This should match the vendor you originally paid with your credit card. Below that, open the credit card dropdown and choose the credit card account that's receiving the refund. Make sure you pick the same card account that was used on the original transaction, so everything lines up correctly. Next, set the date. In the date field, enter the date the credit was actually issued by the vendor or the date it appears on your credit card statement. Using the correct date helps keep your bank and credit card reconciliations smooth later on. Now move down to the transaction details section. Here, you'll enter what the refund is for. Use the same category or product or service item that you used on the original expense. This is important because it ensures the refund directly offsets the correct expense account in your reports. Adjust the quantity and the amount so they match the refund you received. If the refund only covers part of the original purchase, just enter the appropriate portion. If the refund relates to a specific customer, you can also select that customer's name so the transaction is properly linked for job costing or tracking. Once you've reviewed everything and it looks right, go to the bottom of the form and click Save and Close. That records the credit card refund and updates your credit card balance and your expense totals automatically. And that's it. Your credit card refund is now properly entered in QuickBooks Online and ready for your next reconciliation.